Hello everyone, this is Login Science and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to use TikTok templates. So let's get started. First, open your TikTok application. You can easily get this application from Play Store. And make sure you are logged into your account. And if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. So in order to use TikTok templates, all you have to do is click on this icon. Here, if you swipe left, you'll get to see the feature of templates. You'll get to see several samples of the templates that you'll be able to use for the video edits. So from this sample, you can choose any templates that you prefer. So I would like to choose this templates for my video. Here it will show you the number of photos that you can upload it to these templates. So for these templates, you can use up to 6 photos. Now in order to use it, click it on Upload Photos. Choose the photos that you prefer for the video. So I'm gonna choose these 6 pictures for the templates. And if you are done choosing the photo, click on OK. The TikTok will process the photos and place them into the templates automatically. Once it is done, you can add text or filters to your templates. When you are done editing your templates, you can simply click it on Next. Now you can post the video with the templates that you have chosen. Well, this is it, and this was a tutorial on how to use templates on TikTok. And I hope this video was informative for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.